Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I clean my car engine. This is not me teaching you about how to clean car engine properly, but this is the way I do it. Remember, I'm not a professional, so if you want to do this, the risk is yours. And remember, never detail a hot engine. The first thing I do will be removing the battery to prevent any shorts. Then I proceed to cover the fuse box, the engine's air intake, and cover any exposed filters and electrical connection that I can see using aluminum foil. And also don't forget to cover the alternator. These are the areas that you really don't want water or degreaser pulling in. After everything is covered, I use Yaris super degreaser diluted at 4:1. 4 parts of water, 1 part of degreaser. Then proceed to agitate with a paintbrush. After it's spread out nicely, I simply rinse it using a regular hose, not a pressure washer. And spray the greaser again, but this time I'll leave it to dwell about 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse for the last time. Then I use blower to dry everything. This is a blower with a heater, so it makes drying faster. Next step, I use water-based dressing. This is Yaris hyper dressing diluted at 1:1. So I spray over everything and spread it out nicely with a paintbrush. Last step is drying it again using the blower with a heater while removing all the cover at the same time. Now before I put the negative connection back on the battery, I usually wait overnight. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to check links in the description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Links.